how to clear your RAM cache in Windows 11. Now if we go to right click here on the start menu and we go to the task manager, if we go to performance and then memory, we can see the cache here, cached 10.4 gigabyte. Now if you want to clear it, we need a piece of software, and it's an official piece of software, RAM Map version 1.61, and you can get it from Microsoft. So let's press download it here. Let's open up the folder. Now let's extract all. Let's open it up. Now click to open it. You need to agree. So this is RAM Map open. So let's get rid of the website. So we can see it here side by side. Now what you want to do then is select empty here and then select empty standby list and keep an eye on that cached section. Once I press it, look at that, taking it right down. Now that should make your PC run a lot quicker. So that's how to clear your RAM cache in Windows 11. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.